This problem tells us to assume that the significance level is alpha equal to 0.1. Use the given information to find the p-value and the critical values. The test statistic of z equal to 1.88 is obtained when testing the claim that p is greater than 0.9. So here's what we need to key in on. This is a proportion problem. So we're going to be using the normal distribution. Our alpha level is 0.1. So we'll go to Statcrunch. We'll click Stat, Calculators, Normal. Now what we'll want to do is find what z-value puts 10% of the distribution to the right in the right-hand tail. So we'll leave the mean at 0, the standard deviation at 1. We'll make this say greater than, and we'll make this say 0.1 for 10%. And that value is 1.28. So that will be the critical value because alpha, 0.1, is this area up here in the upper part of the tail. Remember that alpha and the z critical value go together. We're also to find the p-value. We're told that the test statistic is 1.88. This is a one-tailed test to the right. And remember that the p-value is the area in the tail outside of the test statistic. So we'll go back to Statcrunch. And back to our normal calculator. And now what we want to do is find out how much area there is out here if the z-value is 1.88. And we find that that is 0.0301 if we round to 4 decimal places. So the thing to remember is that the p-value is the area outside of the test statistic. This is a one-tailed test to the right since we're testing whether or not the population proportion is greater than 0.9. And alpha is the area outside of the z-critical value.